In this video, I will show you how to create Welcome Bot in Discord. First of all, open any browser and log in to your Discord account. Once you are in Discord, the first thing you need to do is to create a channel. For that, from the left side, select the server in which you want to create the channel. I will choose server 1, then take your mouse to the left and do right click. Now click on Create Channel. Select the channel type and name, then click on Create Channel. Your channel has been created. After that, click on your server name from the top and select the option App Directory. Now here in the search bar, search Dino, select the first option. Click on Add App from the right side, then click on Visit Site. Now here, scroll down and select your server. Click on Continue. Again, scroll down and click on Authorize. Now here on the next screen, simply click on Next. Again, click on Next. Then click on Done. Now here in the search bar, search Welcome. Then enable this toggle button and click on Settings. After that, on the next screen, select this message option and select your channel from the right side. Now scroll down and here you can see this message. This message will always come when someone will join the server. If you want to change this message, simply do it and click on Update.